This is Frank and MarineMax Brick. I'm here to show you Scout's 215 XSF. So this is a 2021 that we just received. It is in Scout White. What you will notice when you're looking up at the hardtop, this one is the hardtop version. You can also get a canvas top. And then on the back here we have a 200 Yamaha instead of a 150. So this is the upgraded motor as well. On the back of the boat you can see it also has trim tabs and a boarding ladder. Alright, so this is the transom seat. It does fold away kind of nicely if you are fishing or just need the space. Nice up against here, you can use it as a bolster now. Here's access to your bilge. Across the back we have 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders, a nice live well here. Good size. Along each side of the gunnels you do have rod storage. So this boat has a lot of upgrades. It also has the upgraded JL audio speakers. At the helm here we have our Garmin display, our Fusion stereo system, Yamaha digital gauges, Lanco trim tabs with the trim indicators. On the port side here, we do have access to our head. So you can get a porta potty in this boat. You also have the on-off switch to your right there. Moving up into the bow, I just did another 215, but I'll say it again, this is everybody's favorite seat on the 215. Nice big lounger, can really fit about 2 people on it. And then it has awesome storage. You can use this as storage, a cooler, a fish box, whatever you prefer. And then wraparound seating here in the bow. What's nice about the wraparound seating, you can take the backrests off, you can take these lower cushions off, and if you're fishing or crabbing for the day, you can have everything removed. Up in the bow here, nice big anchor locker door. You can see Scout's finished lids on each side. 2 cup holders here, and a nice low profile bow rail. So again, this is a 2021 Scout 215 with a Yamaha 200 on the back, upgraded hardtop, and upgraded JL audio speakers. If you guys want to come down and check it out, my name is Frank and Thank you for your time.